See, as I keep on saying that this is the most ambitious film ever made from my side, not in terms of scale, but in the idea itself. Because the idea of the protagonist being the fear
Right.
is very exciting to me. And it remained the same throughout. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Saif, sir, this one's for you. Bharti ma'am, Bharti Dubeji would want to know, how do you look at this trend of cross-pollination of stars from north and south?
I think it's great, obviously, you know. I mean, it'll be so... We've gotten used to an idea where, you know, there's Bollywood and there's movies made in the north and there's movies in the south. And there's so many different movie industries in India. And the idea to have one film that can bring, you know, actors from different states like that together to create something that's truly pan-Indian is becoming the new standard today.
Right.
Films have done it, and I'm sure films will continue to do it. I'm just really lucky that I managed to speak a bit of Telugu properly, because it seems to be the language also of the future, and to learn a couple more languages, and everyone needs to broaden their horizons, get out of their comfort zones as actors. And I mean, for me, it was a great, great honor to be part of this, and I'm sure it's going to be the future for a lot of people, you know, so it's great.
Again, he said it, ladies and gentlemen, Saif Ali Khan Sahab. Ek baar zordar taliyan. Of course, moving on to the man of masses, NTR Jr. This one's for you. Amar from Mama Razi would want to know that given the high expectations for your action-packed performance in Devara Part 1, can you give us a sneak peek into any particular intense fight sequence or say a stunt that you're really excited for?
Well, Amarji, right? Amar, do we have here? Do we have Amarji here? Okay. So, oh, hi. Great. So, I can't point out on one such particular action sequence, or I definitely would not point out on one stunt or a sequence. But I'm sure Anil sir, Apurva sir, and Karan sir will agree with me. I think the last half an hour or 40 minutes of Devara is going to rock you all. So I can't wait. I just can't wait for people to watch that, the visual what my director Shiva had in his mind. And I just can't wait for the world to see it. that's.
And you're riding that giant fish. Talk to us about the shark.
Yes.
So how was it like?
No, I mean, like, you should tell me, how was that? How did it look?
We loved it. I mean, loved that scene.
Well, I hated shooting for it. I mean, that was one of the sequences which really took a lot of time.
Giving us masala.
Oh, seriously. I was in a 200 by 150 tank, which was about 5.5 feet. And that shot literally took like almost a full day to get it right. So there's
but it is marvelous. Whatever we saw there, you know, it is like amazing. Give it up for NTR Jr., ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, you know, that's all with the questions from our friends from the media, but I have a question for you. Of course, you are this ace filmmaker, the creative genius. What is it that, you know, that appeals to you when you watch a trailer? Because we do this day in, day out. But, you know, I can see that twinkle in your eye today. It's something special. What is it that appeals to you the most when we release a trailer like this, whether you are a part of that film or not, as a cine lover?
As you just said, as a cine lover, as a cinegoer, for me, I've grown up watching films in single screens. Like when I was 4 years old is when I went and watched a film in a single screen with my parents, and then that began my journey with watching massive cinema in cinema halls. So to me, every time I see a tentpole film, a cinema spectacle, it just makes my heart happy. Because this is what we're here for, right? Absolutely. We're here. What else we here for, as Kapil Dev says? We really want to just watch the magic of celluloid, just the magic of big mainstream cinema. So when I see a trailer like the Devara trailer, it just explodes. Like whether I'm associated with the film or not is really immaterial. I, as a cinegoer, as an audience, as a fan, when I watch massive entertainment, that's all I'm here for. That's all I want. That's all I live for, literally.
Absolutely. Tarak bhai, this one last question for you. What do you have to say to all your fans now when I'm sure they must have seen the trailer? अब क्या बोलना है एक आखिरी चीज
always want to thank them for all the love and all the support they've given me over the years of being an actor. And I don't know. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot I need to thank them for, but I would just this humble thanks. Thank you for being there with me.
Saif sir, closing remarks, I would say. What do you have to say to all the fans out there who were like eagerly waiting for the trailer and now it's out?
I think it's an amazing trailer. The background music, the visuals. I have to say, Randy sir, our DOP, has shot this film outstandingly. The cast has been fab. Of course, Tarak Srivastava's vision. I think it's really exciting. And like Karan said, you know, like a big movie coming out that you should watch in the theaters with all these beautiful colors and this amazing sound. I'm very excited.
As Saif sir just talked about the BGM and the dialogue, so that is something that was, you know, out there. The dialogues and the BGM complementing each other. Talk to us about that quickly, sir, please.
Right from the beginning, we thought of Anirudh as a music director because, you know, he's the master of sound and he knows how to blend the music into the story well. And happy that he gave this output. Yeah.
And it's going like with the dialogues. Tarak sir, one last thing. Talk to us about Shiva sir. Is he like always this like...
Have you seen him answer your questions? It's always...
That's what I'm saying.
It's like that long.
I was afraid he...
So Shiva is a master in especially when in dialogues. You know, if your dialogue needs to be so much for you to like, let's say a kilometer, for you to like express your angst or whatever it is, to express something. Shiva's dialogues are just 200 meters.
Right.
They're just 200 meters. So, and I don't know how he does it. He's extremely talented. I mean, I told you, I've been his friend for a very long time. We've been friends for a very long time. He just delivers the same expression in 200 meters. So it's like very few words, but the expression is so deep.
Precise and to the point, right? To the point. 27th September is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. Let's just come to that point. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a final photo op, and I'd like to invite on stage